Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, we are taking Makhraj of Jeem, Sheen Yaa today. And why we are taking these three letters together? Because they share the same Makhraj. They are pronounced from the same Makhraj. And what is the Makhraj? Makhraj is the place from where the right pronunciation can be made. And Makhraj of Jeem, Sheen, Ya is the same. And what is that? And this is middle of the tongue touching the upper palate. So actually you can divide the Makhraj into two parts. There is one part, middle of the tongue. This is the one thing. This is one thing, number one. And number two thing, like there are two parts engaged in every makhraj. So this is the second thing. So middle of the tongue touching the upper palate. So middle of your tongue, when it will touch the upper palate, the right pronunciation can be made for Jeen, Sheen, and Ya. But the thing which is you have to be very careful about is when you engage makhraj for Jeem, then the middle of your tongue will be actually touching the upper palate. It will touch, yes. But for Sheen, when you will pronounce letter Sheen, it will have little gap in between. But for Ya, the gap will be more. Okay. So these two components will be engaged to pronounce any letter of these three letters. But for Jeem, it will actually touch. For Sheen, there will be little gap. And for Ya, there will be more gap. Ya is a very soft letter. So we come to the practice. We'll start from Jeem first, and there is with Fatha, it's J, G, short long vowels. Ju, it's a very strong letter, and long vowel is Ja. First, there should be G. Ja, Ju. Okay, sorry. Ja, Ju. Sorry, it's second. G. And when it will be attached with other letter, it will be Aj. So the short sound Ja, Ji, Ju. Long vowels will be Ja, Ju, Ji, and then Aj. Again, Ja, Ji, Ju, Ja, Ju, Ji, Aj. I will go slow so you can say after me. Ja, Ji, Ju. Again, Ja, Ji, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju, Aj. Ja, Ji, Ju. Ja, Ji, Ju, Aj. Okay. The next letter is Sheen. So it will be, the practice is Sha. Short sound. She. She. and then shu, long vowel, sha, she, sorry, she, it's with sakun, sorry, shu, shu, and with sakun it will be ash, ash, again, sha, she, shu, sha, she, shu, ash. I will go slow so you can practice with me. Sha, she, shu, sha, she, shu, ash. The next letter is ya. Ya, yi. The next letter, you. Yes, you. Then long vowel is ya, yi, you. Can you feel you're not touching your upper palate? It is like these two things are engaged, but it is not actually touching. But we are using middle of our tongue and is going up towards palate, but it's not touching actually. I, I, short sound. Yeah, ye, you. Yeah, ye, you, I. Again, I'll go slow. Yeah, very soft sound. There is no room for ja in Arabia. When we pronounce ya, it's not Arabic. The ya is very soft letter in the in Quran. So very softly, say very softly. Ya, ya, no harshness, no hard feeling here in ya. It's ya, ye, you. Long vowel is ya, softly. Ye, you. And with sukoon is I, I. Again, ya, ye, you. Ya, ye, you, I. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.